guys, welcome back to the channel. You're currently sitting in like the little like my mirror, like I'll just show you, like this thing. Yeah, that's what you're currently in because, you know, we're creative over here. Anyways, today I'm doing a fun little video. As you can see, I am a very pale woman and I am really wanting to find like my perfect self tanner, and I like my self tanners pretty dark. So yeah, I like my self tanners pretty dark. But with that being said, I ordered a new self tanner. You may have seen it in my Ulta haul, and I actually ordered the Loving Tan 2-Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in dark, and it says for medium to dark skin tones, which I am not. Sorry, I'm like makeupless. I was like, you know what? I want to film this just because I feel like it would be helpful for other really pale girls wanting a darker tan, and I just couldn't bother to get ready because there's no reason for me to get ready today. I'm literally about to hop in the car and head to the lake with my boyfriend and my family to celebrate my 23rd birthday. Anyways, so I also got the Loving Tan Deluxe Applicator Mitt because mine was disgusting, and I also wanted to see if there's something different about this mitt versus other mitts. Ooh, it is different. It's like a velvety material. The other ones I've used have been, ooh, I like this mitt. Ooh. The other ones I've used have been like a spongy material. So I'm super excited to try this out because I do feel like the sponge ones absorb a ton of the product, and on top of that, it gets all over my hand on like the inside as it like absorbs through the sponge. And this one, you obviously like won't be able to tell. Well, maybe you can tell. Yeah. This one has like a plastic lining on the inside, so it's going to protect your hand from getting any of that product on that. Wow, I'm really excited about this actually. Like, it's not even the tan, it's just the mitt, but I'm like, I think this is going to be really nice. So I'm excited. This is the first tan I've done this summer, and I'm really excited to have a little bit of color to my skin because obviously we've been quarantined and everything, so the last thing I've been doing is sunbathing. Granted, I don't sunbathe at all anyways. I am like, skin cancer is one of like my most intense fears. I don't know, like I just am terrified of skin cancer. So I, you know, take all the precautions and I apply sunscreen and reapply sunscreen, and I don't really sit out in the sun that much. If I'm out in the sun, I'm normally still finding a shady spot. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys me trying out this dark Loving Tan mousse. And yeah, so I just got out of the bath. I shaved my legs. Oh, they look really red. Ooh, that's because the water was really hot. But I just shaved my legs. I scrubbed my body down. I used a sugar scrub on my legs, and then I just did like my loofah and my body wash on the top. Now I'm going to moisturize, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to moisturize with because I'm really interested to see what this leads to. So whenever I don't want a super dark tan, but I really just kind of want a teeny itty bitty bit of color, I use the Jergens Natural Glow Daily Moisturizer, and this one is for medium to tan skin tones. So I already used the darker lotion, and it says that I need to exfoliate, done, and then it says I need to apply moisturizer liberally to any dry areas, including your hands, feet, ankles, wrists, knees, and elbows. Not gonna lie, all of my skin is dry because I don't know what it is, but after I shave, I literally feel like all of the moisture in my body has left. So I'm literally just gonna put this all over my entire body. Pray that it doesn't make my tan look really, really weird. I don't think it will because, like I said, I like a dark tan anyways. So as long as I don't turn orange or anything, I'll be happy. So this is what I look like now. All right, guys, so I changed into my little like Velcro towel wrap thing because my other towel was wet now. And I wanted to make sure I had something dry on. But I'm going to start applying, and I'm just going to kind of film a little piece of me applying it, but then obviously I got to get naked to finish it, so obviously I won't film that. But yeah, I'm so excited to try this. Let's see how it looks. y'all see a little bit better. This, I just applied a little bit, like one little bit of color, and this arm has nothing. So that's the initial lay down.
I can never lay down in peace.
Literally every single time Brendan lays down, Mama Lily, just literally has to come sit on top of him. And she just sits there.
I'm the queen.
Okay guys, so after you put on your tan, which I definitely think looks a lot physically darker from my original skin, like it's pretty significantly darker, so I'm really interested to see how this is going to progress over the next 2 hours, and then again in the next like 8 hours, because I'm gonna leave it on for a while. I'm not gonna shower until I get to the lake tonight. Ooh, I feel like I need to do a little bit more on my hands. That's a pretty bad little spot, but yeah, so after you put on your tan, you're gonna want to put on some pretty baggy clothes. I like to put something on that like I don't care about because it could get some staining. I pretty much always wear this shirt whether I get a spray tan or do an at-home tan, and I pretty much always wear these pants because they're just like stretchy. And I pretty much always wear these when I do an at-home tan or a spray tan as well. So I'm gonna try not to sweat. I'm gonna let it dry for a little while, and then we're gonna see what it looks like. Sorry, I feel like the film quality in this video is not great because I'm just like doing kind of vlog style, but hopefully you guys are still getting the point. I'm gonna add a little bit more to my hands and update y'all in 2 hours. Okay, this is 2 hours later. Obviously, I can't really tell because it's been progressing, and like I can't just like think off the top of my head if this is darker, but I feel like maybe it is. Good morning, guys. To y'all, it looks like 3 seconds later, but for me, the last clip was filmed on Friday and today is Tuesday. So it has been quite a few days since I applied my tan, and I just wanted to show you guys a little update. I'm literally still in my PJs. I'm getting ready for work, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I feel like it definitely has gotten lighter because I've showered a couple times, obviously, since the last clip and everything. But I really, really, really like this tan. I just think it looks so natural, and compared to tans I've used previously, I feel like the wear on it is so nice because I have not been getting any streaks, which I feel like in the past with other tanners, especially the Saint-Tropez tanner, as it wears down, it gets pretty streaky on me, and I don't really notice any streaks except underneath my armpit. It's a little patchy, but that's to be expected because one, I've shaved my armpits, and two, you put deodorant on there and stuff and like it rubs, so that's gonna happen. And then the other thing is it doesn't look so bad now since I showered last night, but after wearing a bathing suit and like a sports bra, you can kind of see that there's like a line where it kind of wore off from rubbing. And then I feel like at my like joints, like my elbows and stuff, it's staying dark because that skin is so thin and everything. But other than that, I really, really like this tan, so definitely recommend the Loving Tan Dark Mousse, even if you're a pale girl like me, because it's been quite a few days and I'm really loving the color that it's giving me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for y'all if you're also pale and looking for a pretty dark but natural looking tan. If you enjoyed the video, please give a like and also hit that big red subscribe button down below to come hang out with me more on my channel. And yeah, follow the social links down there as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Yeah, yeah.